Hey everyone, today we are going to take an extensive journey into Windows tips and tricks to help you make the most out of your operating system. We will cover everything from basic to advanced features. So, whether you are a newbie or an experienced user, you are in for a treat. Tip number 1. How to customize Windows sounds. Start by clicking the Windows icon in the lower left corner of your screen to open the Start menu. Next, navigate to the Settings option, which is represented by a gear-shaped icon. Click on it to access your system settings. Within the Settings menu, explore the Personalization category. This is where the magic happens, so you can tailor various aspects of your Windows environment to suit your preferences. After selecting Personalization, you will find several subcategories. For the purpose of customizing sounds, click on Themes. This section is the gateway to sound personalization. Once you have reached the Themes section, you will notice a plethora of options at your disposal for tweaking the sounds aspect of your Windows operating system. Here, you can truly make your computer sing to your tune. Here is a more detailed guide to help you get started with sound customization. Select Sounds. Inside the Themes section, you will find an option labeled Sounds. Click on it to open the Sound dialog box. Customize sound schemes. In the Sound dialog box, you will see a variety of sound schemes, each associated with different system events. You can choose from existing schemes or create your own by selecting individual sound events and assigning custom sounds to them. For example, you can set a unique sound for notifications, errors, or when you receive new email messages. Use your own sounds. Windows allows you to go beyond the built-in sound schemes. You can add a personal touch by using your own sound files, providing they are in the WAV format. This means you can use your favorite songs, recordings, or any audio files that resonate with you to replace system sounds. Tip number 2. How to organize desktop icons. Maintaining an organized desktop is a fundamental key to maximizing your productivity while using your computer. It is like having a well-organized workspace in the physical world. A clean and efficient desktop layout can greatly streamline your digital activities. One approach to achieve this is by placing frequently used programs or files on your desktop, providing you with quick and easy access to your most essential resources. However, it is important to exercise restraint and avoid cluttering your desktop with too many icons, which can lead to chaotic and less efficient digital workspace. In addition to this, there is another handy method to keep your most frequently accessed programs at your fingertips, pinning them to the taskbar. This taskbar, typically located at the bottom of your screen, is a prime real estate for keeping your essential application just a single click away. To pin a program to the taskbar, follow these simple steps. Locate the program icon you wish to pin. This icon could be on your desktop, in the Start menu, or even in the taskbar itself. Right-click on the program icon. Context menu will appear, displaying various options. In the context menu, find and select the Pin to Taskbar option. Clicking this will ensure that your chosen program is now permanent resident on the taskbar, readily accessible at any time. By following this method, you can declutter your desktop while ensuring that your most crucial applications remain within arm's reach. This approach not only enhances the visual cleanliness of your digital workspace, but also boosts your efficiency by eliminating the need to search through a crowded desktop for the applications you need. So, the next time you want to keep your digital workspace clean and optimize your workflow, consider using the Pin to Taskbar feature. Your desktop will thank you, and your essential programs will be just a click away, making your computing experience all the more efficient. Tip number 3. The middle mouse button trick. Now, let us explore how to harness the hidden power of your middle mouse button to supercharge your multitasking capabilities. The middle mouse button, often referred to as the scroll wheel, is commonly associated with scrolling through web pages and documents. However, it possesses an ingenious function that can revolutionize your computing experience, making multitasking a breeze. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use the middle mouse button to open new instances of programs right from the taskbar. Identify the program icon. Start by locating the program's icon on your Windows taskbar. These icons represent the applications you have been or currently running. Instead of the typical left click to open the program or the right click for context menus, employ your middle mouse button. Gently press the middle mouse button when hovering over the program's icon. When you middle click on a program's icon, it performs a remarkable feat. It opens a brand new instance of the program. Each instance is independent of the others, allowing you to work on different tasks simultaneously. This functionality is exceptionally useful for multitasking efficiently. Let us illustrate its practical use. Imagine you are working on a project and need multiple browser windows with different web pages open. Instead of tediously opening the browser, navigating to the desired web page, and repeating the process for each instance, you can utilize the middle mouse button. Simply middle-click the browser icon on the taskbar a few times, and lo and behold, you have new browser windows, each ready to display a different web page. The middle mouse button trick isn't exclusive to web browsers. It is a versatile tool that can be applied to various applications, whether you require multiple file explorer windows, document editing software, or any program that you use frequently. This trick can simplify your workflow by quickly creating new instances. In essence, it is a brilliant shortcut that can significantly enhance your productivity, especially if you are a multitasker. So, the next time you aim to streamline your multitasking or boost your efficiency, remember the middle mouse button trick, your secret weapon for effortlessly opening new program instances. Tip number 4. Right-click taskbar icons. When it comes to taskbar icons, it is not all about left-clicking. Right-clicking gives you access to shortcuts and specific tasks for each program. For example, right-clicking on your browser icons provides quick access to tasks like opening a new incognito window. It is a time saver. The taskbar icons on your Windows desktop offer a treasure trove of functionality. And it is not just the left click that unlocks their potential. The right click is your gateway to a world of shortcuts and specific tasks tailored to each program. It is like having a menu of instant options at your fingertips. Let us take your web browser, for instance. We all use it for various tasks, from research to entertainment. The right click on your browser's taskbar icon is where the magic happens. Here is how to access and benefit from these handy shortcuts. Identify the program icon. Start by locating the program icon on your taskbar. In this case, let us focus on your trusty web browser. Instead of the conventional left click to open the program, give the icon a right click. A context menu will pop up, presenting you with a range of quick options and tasks tailored to that specific program. When you right-click on your browser icon, you will be delighted to find a host of shortcuts. For example, you can open a new incognito window, making your online browsing private and secure. This is just one of the many time-saving features that right-clicking unlocks. This right-click functionality isn't limited to browsers. It extends to various applications. The tasks available are contextually relevant to the program, offering you quick ways to access specific features without navigating through menus or searching for options. In essence, the right click on the taskbar icons is your shortcut to efficiency. So, the next time you want to streamline your tasks and save precious time, remember the power of the right click. It is a simple but effective tool that enhances your computing experience by providing quick access to tailored shortcuts and tasks right from your taskbar. And that's it for today. If you found this concept interesting, be sure to keep an eye for our next video, in which I will share additional tips and tricks to enhance your productivity with Windows 10. If you are interested in staying updated on Windows 10 related content, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we would love to see you in our next video.